Okay, I'm gonna give the dog peanut butter because it's amazing.
How do you zoom in? Go to the side, please.
You want some more? Here.
Allie, you're so rude.
I know. You want more?
Here's our nummies.
What are you doing?
I'm getting a little view. Oh, you poor thing.
I do it to him all the time. Whenever I get really bored. Do you think it'd be possible to gargle peanut butter?
I don't know.
Should I try to do it?
Yeah. He comes back for more. Okay, Bear, you need to look at the camera so we can end this film.
Bear.
Hey, Bear, come here.
No, see, that's what he does. He licks his fur.